Do you have a sweet tooth for chocolates? Come on down to the one and only Bluebird Candy Factory in historic downtown Logan at 75 West Center Street, open Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. This beloved, iconic company has given the community endless sweet treats since its opening in 1914. The Bluebird Candy Factory sells all sorts of chocolatey goodness, from hand-dipped chocolates to candy bars to exclusive sweet and savory treats, along with gift baskets and boxes for any special occasion. Individual candy ranges from 85 cents to $26, and gifts range from $3.15 to $118. All of these treats are made in the store with the finest local ingredients without any preservatives. You can order in-store or online at bluebirdcandy.com for shipping, local delivery, or in-store pickup. They accept cash, credit cards, Google, and Apple Pay. Local and online reviewers agree that along with the store's beautiful and cozy storefront and welcoming staff, the Bluebird Candy Factory is the perfect place for date nights, family outings, or just satisfying your sweet cravings. Stop by if you're in the mood for something sweet, all while supporting the Logan community.